Okay, listen. This I wrote the program for online and offline students. This is the program for the hierarchical inheritance according to the UML diagram. Okay. See here in the same class body, I have created multiple class. Okay. Then main method also. In vehicle, I have printed string brand name. Car is extends to the vehicle. Car cost and the only method name is called as a void start. Then is bike extends the vehicle, fuel and void stop. Then main method. Always when you are creating multiple class in the same class scope, the main method name and the file name should be same. Okay. Okay. Now listen carefully. We are completed with the three types of inheritance, right? Okay. What is inheritance? What is inheritance? Yeah, yeah, the process of giving up the superclass properties into the subclass property. The subclass properties acquiring and accepting the properties of the superclass is nothing but inheritance. For inheritance, which keyword is mandatory? Extends keyword is the mandatory. Okay. For inheritance is also referred as is a relationship. Is a relationship. Okay. In inheritance, variable and methods can be inherited, and blocks and constructor cannot be inherited. Okay. Now, in inheritance, there is a five types: single level, multi-level, hierarchical, hybrid, and multiple. Uh, which is explicitly present in the Java: single level, multi-level, and hierarchical. Okay. See, guys, now I'm taking one example. Okay. In most of the interviews, they will ask the question: is that multiple inheritance is possible in Java? What you will answer? No, sir, it is not possible in Java using the class body or class scope, but it is possible using the in. Okay. The next question of the interview will be: can you prove that in multiple inheritance is not possible using the class scope? But you have, if you write the program, it will you will get the error. But you have to write the code and you have to show me for the interviewer. Okay, now assume here I will take same example. See, vehicle in vehicle, car is extending vehicle. Okay, bike is extending vehicle. Okay, if I extend vehicle comma car, this is called as a multiple inheritance. Okay, now if I extend car, this is also multiple inheritance. Okay, you have to write the code and you have to explain like this. This is not possible in the class scope, but it is possible in the interfaces body. Okay, you have to write this code and you have to explain for the interviewer. Okay, now we have completed four types. Okay, the fifth type is hybrid inheritance. I already mentioned any of the two combinations of inheritance is nothing but hybrid inheritance. That should be single level, multi-level, and hierarchical. Okay, in hybrid also the multiple inheritance is not possible. Okay, here I wrote on diagram. Can you tell me which type of inheritance is this? This is the hierarchical, and this one is the multi-level. Okay, assume this diagram. Now build the program and show me the output. Okay, take your own values, own variables, own methods, everything, and show me. First, you have to create one package called as com.hybrid. Then you start creating this program and show me the output. You can take any class name, any, it's your wish. This is a task for you. Make it fast, and I will giving the theory notes. And I will explain more depth on the multiple inheritance, why it is not possible in Java. Superclass is Rajkumar is inheriting the variable called as Rajkumar age is 50. Okay, then you have taken Shivana as a subclass. Shivana extends Rajkumar and Punit extends Shivana. Which type of inheritance this is? Which type of inheritance this is? Huh? I will kill you. This type of inheritance this is. Multi-level inheritance. Okay. Then again, she have taken class Raghu extends Punit. Okay. If class Raghu extends Punit, means which type of inheritance? Which type of inheritance? Multiple hierarchical Allah. First hierarchical. Rajkumar. Okay. Wait. Uh, Here I have taken Rajkumar, right? Rajkumar is the super class. Then what about class B? Shivarna. Next, this is Punita. Or this is Punita. Huh? Punit extends Shivarna. Here Punita. Huh? Then what about Raghu? Raghu will come here. Huh? Raghu, 4 level multi-level. Then again he put Raghu extends Punit. Here Illa. ಅಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರು ಬರ್ದಿರೋದು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ. This is hybrid inheritance. What you have to do? So what we'll do means, okay. ರಾಜ್ಕುಮಾರ್ಗೆ ಇಬ್ರು ಮಕ್ಳು ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಶಿವಣ್ಣ ಮತ್ತೆ ಪುನೀತ್ ಅಂತ, ಆಯ್ತಾ? Here I will make then now it is a hybrid inheritance. Okay. So this, see, I got the output, expected output. Okay, now we have completed easy relationship, right? In Java, if we take a relationship, means there is a three type. Okay, use a relationship, has a relationship, and easy relationship. Okay, as a relationship is also known as association. Okay, association is nothing but it is one of the principle in the OOPS concept. Okay, now take your notes. Put a heading as an inheritance, bracket, easy relationship. Okay, in easy relationship, we have two keywords. In easy relationship, we have two keywords. The first one is extends keyword. Extends keyword. The second one is implements keyword. The first one is extends keyword. Second one is implements keyword. After extends keyword, put arrow mark. It is used for inheritance. It is used for inheritance, and it is denoted by this arrow key, and it is denoted by this arrow key. Okay, after implements, it is used for implementation. After extends key, implements keyword, It is used for implementation, and it is denoted by this arrow. And it is denoted by in easy relationship we have two keywords. The first one is extends keyword, second one is implements keyword. Okay, after extends keyword it is used for inheritance and it is denoted by this arrow key. Okay, after extend implements keyword it is used for implementation and it is denoted by this arrow key. Okay, now write these points. Array. Yeah, now write these points along. After this I will give you extra points. Okay, inheritance is a process of one class acquiring the properties of another class. Second point is a class which gives or share the properties are called superclass or base class or parent class. Okay, a class which acquire or accepting the properties are called as subclass, derived class or child class. Okay, in Java we achieve the inheritance with the help of extends keyword. Okay, inheritance is also referred as easy relationship. Okay, in Java only variables methods are inherited, whereas blocks and constructor are not inherited. And types of inheritance is single level inheritance, multi-level, hierarchical, hybrid and multiple. Write these points, I will give extra points. Okay, ಯಾರೋ ಬಿಸಿಲು ಹೊಡಿತಿರೋದು. Done, huh? Everybody. A subclass. Next point. A subclass inheritance. You need some more time. A subclass inherits only. ಇನ್ನ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಮುಗಿಸಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. A subclass inherits only a non-static variables. If I make a static, it will inherit it. A subclass cannot inherit the static members. Next point. A subclass cannot inherit the static members. Static members and private non-static members. And private non-static members. See, a subclass inherit only the non-static. If you make non-static as a private, it will not inherit it. And if you make a variable as a static, it will not inherit. Okay. Non-static na private ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ. Okay. Okay, this is the very, very, very important for the interview point. A subclass inherits only a non-static members. ಈಗ ರಾಜ್ಕುಮಾರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಇಂಟ್ ಹಾರ್ ಏಜ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಏನು ನಾನ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ತಾನೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ನಾನ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ನ ನಿನ್ ಶಿವಣ್ಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಹೆರಿಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ, ಈ ನಾನ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ನಾನು ಏನಾದ್ರು ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಶೋ ಎರರ್. ಆಯ್ತಾ, ಇನ್ಹೆರಿಟ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ನೀನ್ ರನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ಹೆರಿಟ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ಈ ನಾನ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ನ ನಾನೇನಾದ್ರು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಇನ್ಹೆರಿಟ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆನಾ, I need to repeat the sentence. A subclass inherits only a non-static members. Next point, a subclass cannot inherit the static member and private non-static member. Done, huh? A subclass inherits only non-static members. A subclass cannot inherit the static member and private non-static members. Huh? A subclass inherits only non-static members. अथवा variables. Okay ना. A subclass, wait, cannot inherit static members and private non-static members. Okay, next point is very important for the interview point. The constructor of the superclass, the constructor of the superclass, the constructor of the superclass is not inherited to subclass, is not inherited to subclass, comma, the subclass can invoke, the subclass can invoke or the subclass can invoke or call the superclass constructor, call the superclass constructor, call the superclass constructor, but cannot inherited, but cannot inherited. Create subclass object, create subclass object, create subclass object. It contains both inherited members and its own member. It contains both inherited members and own members. See, observe the projector. Observe the projector. Create subclass object. It contains both inherited and own members. Own members. Own OWN. Observe this program, okay? In superclass, I created one constructor. Okay, what is constructor? It is a set of instruction used for initialization, and instantiation is nothing but a constructor. Okay. See, ಇವಾಗ ನಾನು constructor ನ super class create ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Okay. See, if I create the constructor to the super class, it will not inherit it. Okay. Subclass ಅಲ್ಲಿ internally Java call ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. But output ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ constructor output ಬರಲ್ಲ. Constructor, it is not inherited in the inheritance. Okay. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೂಪರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟರ್ ನ ಬಿಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಇದನ್ನ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟರ್ ನಾನು ಏನಾದ್ರು ಸಬ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಇನ್ಹೆರಿಟ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ಹೆರಿಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೇನಲ್ಲ, ಓನ್ಲಿ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಇನ್ಹೆರಿಟೆಡ್, ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟರ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್. ಬಟ್ ಸಬ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟರ್ನಲಿ ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟರ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ಹೆರಿಟ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಇಂಟರ್ನಲಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಜಾವಾ, ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ಹೆರಿಟ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಇದನ್ನೇ ಆ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿರೋದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಓಕೆ, ಫೈನಲಿ ದ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟರ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಇನ್ಹೆರಿಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನಾಟ್ ಇನ್ಹೆರಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? ಓಕೆ, ನೌ ಟೇಕ್ the make a write a heading as a important questions for the interview. Why Java? Question. Why Java does not support multiple inheritance? Why Java does not support multiple inheritance? Why Java does not support multiple inheritance? The first point, the Java does not support multiple inheritance. The Java does not support multiple inheritance using class scope or class body. Using class scope or body, the Java does not support multiple inheritance using class scope or body. Class scope slash body, because because the first point is the constructor chaining cannot be happened, because the constructor chaining cannot be happen. I will explain you what is constructor chaining. Okay, maybe in tomorrow or day after tomorrow session. Okay, because the constructor chaining does not happen. Constructor chaining is nothing but calling one constructor to the another constructor. Okay, I will explain you tomorrow, day after tomorrow session. Okay, now the next point is it loads to it loads to it loads to ambiguity. It loads to ambiguity. You know the spelling? Ambiguity. It loads to ambiguity. I will let you know. Ambiguity of multiple inheritance. It loads to ambiguity of multiple inheritance, which is diamond shape problem. Which is diamond shape problem. Diamond shape problem na double quotes ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ, which is diamond shape problem. You make diamond shape problem in double quotes. Ambiguity ಅಂದ್ರೆ confusion. Okay, ambiguity is nothing but confusion. See, after this write this diagram. Okay na, this is which type of inheritance? Hierarchical, and this is multiple, right? This is not possible in Java. Okay, for Java, for that sake only Java will be getting as an ambiguity. Java will get confusion. Okay, if you're using class scope in multiple inheritance, Java will get confused, alva. So adikene we called as a diamond shape problem. It will be in a diamond shape. Okay, this is called as a diamond shape. Write this diagram, okay? And this shape is called as a diamond shape problem. See here, I am using hierarchical inheritance and multiple inheritance. This is not possible, right, in Java? Huh? This will get ambiguity confusion as a diamond shape problem. Diamond shape. If any interviews ask you write a program on multiple inheritance using class scope, you write the program as I mentioned before. Okay, then you explain this diagram. Okay, they will impress and they will proceed to the next question. Okay na, ಖಂಡಿತ ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಪಕ್ಕ ಅವ್ರು ಇಂಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಗೆ. Done, huh? What's the time now? 11:20. Okay, take an assignment question. Assignment question. Listen carefully, Aita. Mm. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. Assignment task 1 अथवा exercise 1. Okay. Assignment question exercise 1 coding challenge animal kingdom. Heading as a coding challenge animal kingdom. Coding challenge. Yeah. Animal kingdom. Huh? Spelling. Animal movie na. ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ನೆನಪಿರತ್ತೆ. Step 1 domestica. Create a class name as an animal. Create a class named animal. Create a class named animal. Add a field called name of the type string. Add a field called name of the type string. Next point, add a field called name of type string, data type, name of data type string. Add a field called age. Field is nothing but variable. Add a field called age of data type int. Data type ಅದನ್ನು ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾ ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನ int. Add a method called make sound. Make sound that prints animal makes a sound. That prints in printing statement you have to print animal makes a sound. Meow meow blah, blah. ಆಯ್ತಾ? Step 2, create a subclass named dog. It should be inherits from the animal. Create a subclass named dog. It should inherits from the animal. Create a subclass name called as dog. It should inherits from the animal class अथवा animal superclass. Create a subclass named dog that should be inherits from the animal superclass. Okay. The first point, add a field called breed. Add a field called breed. The data type is string. Override the make sound. Override the make sound. ಇದು ಮೆಥಡ್ ಓವರ್ ರೈಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಇದು. ಸಾರಿ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅದರಲ್ಲೇ ಇರ್ತೀರಾ. ಸಾರಿ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಓವರ್ ರೈಡಿಂಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್. Okay, we'll make some changes, right? Okay, adರಲ್ಲಿ make sound alla. Had a method name called fetch. Had a method name called fetch. Hmm? Method name fetch ಅಂತ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. It prints dog is fetching. It prints dog is fetching. It prints dog is fetching. Okay, step 3. Create a subclass. Create a subclass. Subclass name cat. Subclass name cat inherits from the animal. Which inheritance this is? Okay. Add a field called color, data type string. Add a field called color, data type string. Create a method called climb. Huh? Add a field called color. Add a field called color, data type string. Add a method called climb. Add a method called climb that prints cat is climbing. That prints cat is climbing. Okay, this is a task for you. Another 2 more questions I will share in the WhatsApp. Okay. Another 2 more questions I will share you in the WhatsApp. Then. Constructor chaining. Where is the super keyword? Hey, ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಊರೆಲ್ಲ where is that super? Okay, now the new heading take as a super keyword. Super keyword. The first point is the super is a keyword. Super is a keyword. Super is a keyword which is used for access the superclass properties. Super is a keyword which is used to access the superclass properties. Syntax: super dot variable name. Syntax: super dot variable name. The super should be in lower cases. Make sure. Okay, super dot variable name or super dot method name. Super dot variable name or super dot method name. Okay, next note this. Note this. The first point is this. Points to current object. Put arrow mark. Points to current object. It means this keyword points to current object. This I already done, right? Yes or no? No. Current object. Next point super. Next point super. Arrow mark. Points to superclass object. Points to superclass object. Okay. Here I will make one new project. Listen carefully. Keyword. Super keyword. Yeah. Here I will make one package called as com dot org. Okay. Then I will create one class name called as father. Listen carefully. Okay. In father, I'm printing an age, int age. This is static or non-static? Okay. Then I take another class, son extends father. The three people can stand up. Go out of the class. Go out of the class. ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ ನಾನು ಪಾಠ ಮಾಡುವ ನಿಲ್ಸ ಬೇಗ okay. I'm taking a son age as int age is equals to 30. ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು ನಾಚಿಕೆ ಮಾನ ಮರ್ಯಾದೆ ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇದೆಯಾ ನಿನಗೆ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಹತ್ರ ಬಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಬಾಯಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತು ಸರಿಗಿದೆ I'm taking one method name called as a display. Stand up. Stand up. Go out of the class. I said stand up. Stand up. Here I'm taking one another variable called as int age is equals to 10. Okay, 40. Okay, now here I'm taking a printing statement. Okay. Array. If I print int dot age, I will get the output Sorry. Huh? Okay, na? Then, wait. I will create one another main method. Sorry. Class main main method, and I will change here also. So go for refactor, rename main. Okay. Under the main method, I should create which object? Son object or father object? Here I should display the object. How to display the object? No. If I run this program, I will get the output as a this 40, 30 or 50. Are you sure? Only 40, right? Yake only 40. Why only 40? Why only 40? I need 30 also. I need 50 also. Why only 40? Yeah, when local variable, global variable are same, the local variable will dominate the global variable and I will get the output as a 40. If the both variable are same name means I have to make use of which keyword? This keyword. Okay. So I give this dot age. I will get the output as a 50 40 or 30 40. 30 40. 30 40, no 50 40. Who are telling 50 40? Can you raise your hand? If your output is 50 40, raise your hand. If your output is 30 40, raise your hand. Involve one in the output 40 30. Okay. 50 40. 30 40 or 30 40 and 40 30 both are same. Okay. Uh, yeah, tell me. Big eldro. If it is wrong, also tell it's okay. ಹೇಳಿಲ್ವಾನು 40. Always the local variable will print first, then global variable. See, now this is the local variable and this is the global variable. And the both variables are same. If I need both the output means I have to make use of this keyword. Sir, I need 50 also, sir. What I should do? Oh, okay. If I use super keyword, it will acquire super class properties into the subclass property. Okay, now super dot. Now if I run the program, I will get 50, 40, 30 and 50. Okay. Understood? Now you write this program and execute the program. Any doubts in this? Any doubts? Any doubts? ಅಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ there are certain